Hey, welcome you all to the course Information and Cyber Security. This is Abhinay Gulabandamankar from IT Department, PICT Pune. I welcome you all for the next presentation. Intrusion detection and access control and other security tools, part 2, in continuation with previous session. IDS deployment overviews. In IDS system, placement can be blackened. Similar to what types of IDS should be used is a question. So we need to balance organization security need with a budget. We can use an IDS or an HIDS in tandem with cover with individual systems that can connect organization networks and networks themselves. Deploying NIDS NIST recommends 4 location of NIDS. Location 1, behind each external firewall in the network's DMZs. Location 2, outside the external firewall, behind each external firewall, outside external firewall. And third, on major network backbone. Fourth location, on critical subnet. Let's observe with this diagram deploying NIDS. This is the location first, location 2 over here outside, location 3 and location 4. Deploying HIDS. Setting up HIDS TDS time consuming. Steps are: first, install HIDS on most critical system. Next, install IDS on all system or until organization reaches tolerable degree of convergence. Measuring effectiveness of IDS. IDS are evaluated using two dominant metrics: number of attacks detects in the known collection of probes and network bandwidth at which IDS fails. Example, at 1 gigabits per second, IDS detected 95% of detection attacks against it. Many vendors provide test suite for verification. For example, test suites retransmit real packet trace from WIMPs or worms, perform some of malform packets, sync, sync flood, and launch. Honeypots, honeynets, padded cells. Honeypots, what is decay? That is trap system designed to lure, that is pull potential attack away from critical system. What are the design goals? Divert attack from accessing critical system, gather information about attacker activity, and encourage attacker to linger to admin can document event and response. Next is HoneyNet. HoneyNet, collection of honeypots connected in a subnet. Padded cell, honeypot protected in order to hinder compromise. A typical work in tandem, that is cycle, with traditional IDS. When IDS detects attack, it transmits to the spatial environment, right? There they cannot cause harm, hence the name padded cell. Advantage, disadvantage of honeypots. Under advantage part, diverts attacks to target they can't damage. Admins have time to determine the response. Honeypots can monitor attack action. Attack logs can help improve the system and security. Honeypots may catch insiders snooping around the network. Under disadvantage, legal implications are not well defined. Honeypot's effectiveness as security tech technical is unclear. Expert attack detecting honeypots may get angry, launch worse attack against organization. Admins security manager need expertise to use the honey. These are some kind of honeypots example which is taken from these resources here, and these are the some information associated with this. Trap and trace system. Various techniques that detect intrusion trace it to the origin. Trap consists of honeypots and padded cell and alarm system. Legal drawbacks to trap and trace are enticement attack enticement attract attacker to the system by placing tantalizing info in the certain places. Trap entrapment lures that is pull person into the committing crime for conviction purpose. Enticement to legal ethical entrapment is not. Scanning and analysis tool. Often we used to collect information that attacker should need to launch successful attack protocol, sequence of attacker steps to attack target system network. Footprinting, determine what hots determining what host names, IP address target organization owns. Fingerprinting, systematic survey of resources founding for footprinting stages, useful for discovering weakness of organization networks system. These are the scanning and tools analysis tools available here. If you see host name, nslookup or dig command in Unix will give you direct addressing like this. Okay, so these are the dig command may be possible that. Okay, and IP address ownership, who's taking ownership of that IP address? If you're using this one, whose domaintool.com, will give this one idea. Internet search query, proprietary, confidential. Also tools words to the wise. Okay, words to the wise. And this is the whos.domaintools.com. This is the snapshot of that. These are some scanning and analysis tools available nowadays. Port scanners. Port scanner, which ports are available for attacking. The tools used by the attacker defends to identify computer on the internet. Can scan there for certain computer protocols and resources for generic scam. These are the nmap.organization. These are some examples. Firewall analysis tool. Several tools automate discovery of firewalls. Rules assist admins to in the rule analysis. Admins who are wary of using some tools that attackers use should remember. User intent dictates how gather information is used and needed to understand a way to attack computer in order to defend it. For example, Nessus. This is the available resources. Packet sniffer. Next tool is packet sniffer. Tool that gather this tool that gather packet and analyze this. Can provide network admin with information to solve networking issues or attacker eavesdropping. For legal issues, if you use legal issue, admin must be an organized owned network to have consent from network owners. The tool's name is Wireshark. Wireless security tools. Organization need to consider wireless security in tandem with its deployment wireless networks. Toolkits can snip wireless packet traffic, scan host, access network privacy. Okay, they do not use a WEP. For example, Wireshark and AirCrack NG. Access control device. Some tools are access control, authenticate, authorize the user. Authentication, validate the person identity. Authorization is for what the person can do with the computer, and recommendation, use two types of authentication. Okay, the four main ways to authenticate persons are the what a person knows, that is password, what person has, that is mobile or app, what person is, that is fingers, who is a person, that is fingers, and a fourth one, what supplement products for the work badges. And the summary, we have seen intrusion detection system in part 1. Discussion detects configuration violation and sounds the alarm. There are two we have seen NIDS and HIDS, that is network based IDS and host based IDS. We have also seen complex selection of IDS product fit to your organization needs. We have seen honeypots, declare your system two variants, honeypot, honeynets and padded cell system. Scanning and analysis tool are used to pinpoint vulnerabilities in the system, holes in the security components and unsecured aspect of networks. Authentication is a validation uh, of response prospective users supplicants identity. So in this way we end our session, and we should stop now. Thank you very much.